What's up, everybody? Interest rates are not cooperating right now. We just had a presidential election. The Fed, again, cut interest rates 25 basis points. But again, mortgage rates haven't really responded. In fact, ever since the original rate reduction from the Fed, what have we seen? Interest rates on the mortgage side are up almost 100 basis points. Nobody wanted to see that. Well, at this point, the market's uncertain and there's volatility. We just had a massive, one of the most historic elections in the history of the country. No one's really sure the direction of the economy. And according to the market, the inflation fight's not over, and they're worried that the Fed cutting interest rates is going to reignite the inflation problem. Now, here's the good news. All of this, everyone, is just a massive overreaction. If you ever want to understand human behavior, just look at the stock market. Right? Even the slightest bit of news that's fearful, there's a massive overreaction. And then the next day it recovers. I think the key is don't read too much into any of this. The long-term trend for mortgage rates, long-term, will be down. God does not draw in straight lines. As much as I wish it was just this and only this, it's not the case. We are dealing with unprecedented volatility post-COVID, big election time, coming out of the biggest inflation spike in a generation. There has to be expected to be volatility, and that's what we're experiencing right now. The good news is, I think come springtime next year, mortgage rates, and look, I could be wrong, but my expectation is mortgage rates will be considerably lower. Might even have a 5% range handle come, I would say, roughly March or April of next year. In the meantime, it might be a bumpy ride, but based upon some of the months that are falling off for the PCE inflation data, specifically January and February, things should be looking good, but the holiday season might be a little bit challenging. Okay, so I'll keep you posted. Don't read too much into the market overreactions. Know that we're heading in the right direction. It's just going to be a bit of a bumpy ride. Thanks.